Most of the members of this group arrived in Chile after a violent earthquake struck Haiti in January 2010. Some lost everything and decided to leave the country in search of a better life. One of them is Wheeler. He's an active member of this congregation and also the first Haitian of the group to arrive in Santiago. This congregation started when Wheeler and other Haitian immigrants were looking for a place to worship on Sabbath. They found an Adventist church north of Santiago, and there the group multiplied. The group has grown so much that the church saw the opportunity to plant a new congregation. Today, approximately 50 Haitians meet every Sabbath in this modest space. Even though they're a new congregation, they feel a strong desire to share the love of Christ and a message of hope with those around them. This canvas covering is all there is to protect them from the sun and other elements. Despite the simplicity of the space, Wheeler and others finally found the church they were looking for when they arrived in Santiago, and the number of people in this congregation continues to grow. They hope to expand their facilities to meet the needs of the congregation. The needs for this church and many others around the world are huge. Please pray for this group of faithful followers. Pray that they can be a bright light in their city.